and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So in this video I decided to do a Valentine's Day look. I know that most of you guys maybe not would like a look like this on Valentine's Day, but I do think it looks very cute. And I've been really into the red and pink combo, even though I pretty much hated that combo my entire life, but now I like it. I also did the what's it called? Like two different lip colors on the lip that you guys will see in the end of this video. But I decided to change it because it did look crazier than most of you guys are probably comfortable with. But yeah, I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys might not see it, but I am a little bit tanned. So I'm going to go in with a foundation that is a few shades darker than my natural skin tone. And this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation in Nude. And nude does not sound very tanned, but it is for me. Every time I use this foundation, I'm so blown away how much I love it. But I only have it in this shade, so I should really go and get a lighter one for my natural state. And for my favorite concealer of all time, as you guys know, the Tarte Shape Tape. This is actually the first time I ever used this shade. It's the Fair Light Neutral. This is usually way too dark for me. Another all-time favorite is the Close Up powder from Nabla that I featured in my best of 2018 makeup. I think I featured the concealer Tarte one as well. It truly is the absolute best powder. Like, look at this. Okay, I hope that you guys can see how it just airbrushed my entire under eye. Amazing. And this powder I'm only going to use in the T-zone and underneath my eyes, of course. Why I didn't use the powder all over my face is because I really wanted to go in with the Shapeshifter palette from Urban Decay. They have both powder contour and also cream contour, and I think it's completely untouched. I really want to try it. So I'm just gonna use some of the darker one right here and contour and bronze here, over here, oh, and here as well. Okay, I actually didn't love this. I feel like it took away my foundation. I don't know why I try to like cream contour because I rarely do. So I'm actually gonna go in with the powder contour instead because I know that I like that. At least I think that the nose contour looks alright. With some highlighter, I'm thinking it will look fine. Now for blush, I'm thinking I will use a lot of blush to try and hide this mess. And for that, I'm gonna use the Tarte blush in Parasail. And for highlighter, also from Tarte, I have been using so much Tarte lately. I absolutely love that brand. And it's finally in Sweden, woo! This is the Amazonian Clay highlighter in Exposed. This highlight I can only use when I'm a little bit tanned. If not, it's way too dark for me. If this is the first video that you see of me, then you should check out some other videos to see how pale I actually am. Okay, so I'm going to use this on my cheekbones, of course, a little bit on the apple, on my forehead. I have been really liking to put it like way up here. My cupid's bow, chin, and nose, of course. Because I have a new hair color, as you guys have probably seen. Thank you guys, by the way, for all of the love on my last video when I dyed it. I love it as well, and you guys seem to love it too, which I'm very happy about. I can't talk. But I have been using the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my brows lately. I know some of you guys have asked on Instagram, and yes, I have been using the shade New Wave. So I'm just gonna use that with a angled brush. The brows are done and now it is time for eyes. So let's get a little bit closer. I actually don't remember when I did this look, but I think it was when I just got the palette that we're going to use today. It is the Mulac eyeshadow palette in Daily Mood. I absolutely love this one because of the red shade that they have. Just the perfect red. I absolutely love it so much. So to start, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply this middle shade that is like a faded muted red, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And now I'm going to go in with this red shade and use it pretty much all over my lid. And then just slightly, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade and just use it slightly here in the outer corner. And now for another pop of color. The fact is that for most of my life, I absolutely hated the combo between red and pink. And then it came kind of trendy and I still hated it, but now I'm like, it looks kind of cute. So I really want to use a hot pink shade in my inner corner, and the only one that I could come to mind was the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, the Star Power shade. So I'm going to use that in the inner corner. I realized that a shimmery shade would probably be better for the inner corner, but for that I'm going to go in with the shade Princess on top. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with the same shade. For my waterline, I was thinking either a red or a pink. Let's go in with pink. This is the LimeCrime Lip Liner actually, but I'm sure that it's fine for the eyes. Go and check it out if you guys are worried, but I'm really not. And this is in the shade Plastic. I think I will start without eyeliner, and if I'm feeling like I want eyeliner, then I will just add it. But I will apply the Rouge and Rogue Cocoa Lashes, surprise, as always. And then I will go in with the Tarte Lights Camera lashes. And now I was thinking for lips, we could do something that I did like a year ago or something. What I did was I did two different lip colors, one on the top lip and one on the bottom. And because we are going with the red and pink theme, I was thinking that my bottom lip will be the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood, and then the top one will be Prom Night. We'll see. I think that it will look cool. We are going to go in with the white eyeliner from NYX, and we are going to do some hearts. And I think that's my boyfriend. It is. And there we go. This is the final look. I don't really know about this lip. I thought it looked way cooler when I had the blue lip that I did before, but oh well. Okay, this is the final look. I decided to apply the shade Prom Night on both lips. And I know that this is quite a lot. I still hope that you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. And that is it. I hope you will have an amazing Valentine's Day if you're watching this then. If not, then just have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video.